Hello kids, today I am draw a house drawing. Let's start and draw them together.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Yellow color.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Red color. Blue color. Olive color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
Yellow color.
there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald
Pink color.
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Here and a there,
Green color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Brown
Old
color.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Yellow color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm
Orange
he
color.
had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old
Indigo
MacDonald
color.
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio Jungle.